Hi there, welcome back, pronunciation lovers. Today we have three trendy words to pronounce. They are Ramadan, Iftar, and Autophagy or Autophagy. The first word is Ramadan. Ramadan is a three-syllable word. Ramadan. That's the syllabification. It has two stresses, secondary stress and primary stress. The secondary stress is the first one, Ra, is showcased by the little apostrophe or line at the very beginning. Ra, Ramadan. But the primary stress is the last syllable, Dan. We say Ramadan, which is the 9th month of the Muslim year. Okay, I repeat again, Ramadan. We can say also Ramazan with the sound, or I would prefer to say Ramadan, the sound in the end, because to maintain the Arabic pronunciation. And by the way, we have in English the sound. We can say Ramadan, Ramadan. Alright, the second word is also a trendy word, Iftar, which comes also from Arabic. Iftar is a two-syllable word, but the main stress, the primary stress is number one. We say Iftar, Iftar, which means the meal that is eaten by the Muslim when they break their fasting during Ramadan. That's the meaning of Iftar. And the last word is autophagy. Autophagy is spelled in two ways, either GY in the end or also GIA to maintain the original spelling, but the modern spelling is autophagy. When it comes to pronunciation, we say autophagy, autophagy. As you see, the stressed syllable is syllable number 2, to, autophagy, autophagy. If you want the syllabification, autophagy, it's a 4-syllable word. The second syllable is the stressed one. I repeat, autophagy, autophagy. And if you want to say it in another way, we can say autophagy, autophagy. It's also correct and accepted, but in this way we have two stresses. Secondary stress, which is syllable number 1, O, and the main stress is phagia. We say autophagia, autophagia. Okay, and by the way, autophagy is a kind of process which helps the body disposes of harmful waste. That is called autophagy. Autophagy is essential for the body to function properly. And thanks to the process of autophagy, that some parts of cells that are damaged or defective are broken down and destroyed and disposed of. That's the phenomenon or the process of autophagy, which is medicinal. Okay, we go back to pronunciation. Ramadan, Iftar, autophagy. Ramadan, Iftar, autophagy. After a long day of fasting, they break their fasting with a superb and delicious meal known as Iftar, after the sun has set during Ramadan. If you want an example sentence in which we use the word Ramadan and Iftar. That's it. I wish you all delicious and blessed Iftar. Thank you very much and goodbye.